Hi, and welcome to my video where I will be showing you how you can make ginger shots at home without using any fancy juicer. I will be using my NutriBullet today. If you don't have a NutriBullet, that's totally fine. You can use any other blender. And then I do have my trusty old friend next to me, which is a lemon and orange juicer. If you don't have one of these, that's also totally fine. You can just squeeze out these bad boys with your hands, which is a bit of extra manual labor, but so totally worth it in the end. That's how I initially started making ginger shots. But then I thought to myself, you know what, I'll treat myself and upgrade with this, and it has been life-changing. Now, just to go over the ingredients that you will need today, I will list the exact amounts down in the description. Some fresh oranges, preferably organic ones, then some lemons as well. Of course, some fresh ginger. And then some cayenne pepper, which will add some heat to your shots. But cayenne pepper has so many health benefits, so I highly recommend that you don't skimp out on this. And then another optional ingredient is some honey. I personally don't use any honey in my ginger shots, but if you feel like it's a bit spicy, you can add about 2 tablespoons and that will just sweeten them up a bit. And then just to go over some health benefits that ginger shots deliver. The vitamin C is obviously extremely good for your immune system, especially now that it's winter and we are faced with so many colds and viruses going around. This will really help you stay healthy. Another health benefit is that all of these wonderful ingredients contain other amazing ingredients like calcium, potassium, that will, really benefit your body as well. Another fun fact is that ginger shots is really good for your oral health as well. And then the ginger itself is really good at cleansing out your liver. If you want to find out how to make these at home, stay tuned. Let's first start out by cutting our oranges and lemons as well. Then we're also going to chop the ginger. You do not need to remove the skin. I'll explain later why. Now we're going to juice the oranges. I've added the orange juice into my NutriBullet container, and now I'm also adding the chopped ginger. Let's also squeeze out those lemons. As mentioned before, if you don't have a lemon or orange squeezer, you can just do it by hand. Now let's pour the lemon mixture in with the rest. Now I added a pinch of cayenne pepper. A little bit goes a long way, trust me. All right, we're just gonna securely tighten the lid on the NutriBullet. And let's blend away. I blended mine for about a minute, so you want the consistency that you see in the video. Just screw off the lid. And that's what you want the mixture to look like. I strained my mixture through a fine mesh sieve, and then you just want to take a spoon and kind of help the liquid pass through. The reason why we're straining it is because you have all those bits of the lemons and oranges and the ginger skin that you don't want in your shots. So you want to strain it until you get that mixture, and then you just want to toss that out and continue until all the liquid is gone. Now you just want to fill it into shot glasses. I ordered mine off of Amazon. They're 100 milliliter shot glasses.
but you can use any container you want. If you wanted to put it into a bigger container and just take a sip out of it every day, that works as well. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you end up making these ginger shots, let me know how they turned out in the comments below.